Understanding It's Sore, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into a phrase that is commonly used in English, it's sore. We'll break it down, give examples, and help you understand how and when to use it. So, if you're ready to learn, grab a notebook and let's get started. First, let's start by understanding what sore means. The word sore is an adjective that describes a feeling of pain, discomfort, or tenderness in a particular part of the body. It often results from an injury, exercise, or some other form of strain. For example, you might say, "My muscles are sore after a tough workout." Now that we know what sore means, let's focus on the phrase, it's sore. When someone says, it's sore, they are generally referring to a specific part of their body that is in pain. The it in it's replaces the name of the body part. For example, if someone has a painful wrist, they might say, it's sore, instead of, my wrist is sore. If a child falls and hurts their knee, they might cry out, it's sore, to express that they are in pain. Understanding the context of the conversation is crucial when using or responding to it's sore. Since the speaker does not specify the body part, you need to be aware of the situation or ask follow-up questions for clarification. For example, if someone is holding their jaw and says, it's sore, it's clear they are talking about their jaw. If it's not clear which body part they are referring to, you might ask, what's sore, to get more information. When someone tells you, it's sore, it's common to express sympathy or offer help. You can say things like, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you need anything? Oh no, that sounds painful. Have you seen a doctor? And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, it's sore. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this phrase accurately and respond to it empathetically when someone else uses it. Remember, paying attention to context and showing sympathy are key. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.